Andromeda versus the Milky Way. Astronomers predict a titanic collision. Hey friends, imagine wearing a helmet so strong that even a whole galaxy dropping on you wouldn't squish you. Guess what? Our home, the Milky Way, is going to have a gigantic space adventure with the Andromeda Galaxy, and it's going to happen 4 billion years from now. The Hubble Space Telescope, a super cool space eye, has peeked into space and told us that these two galactic buddies are going to have a massive cosmic party. When these two galaxies start dancing, they're going to twirl and twist so much that our sun might end up moving to a brand new spot in the galaxy. But don't you worry, Earth and all of us are going to be just fine. Sangmo Tony Son, a space wizard from the Space Telescope Science Institute, shared that after lots of guessing and wondering, they've finally figured out the future dance steps of Andromeda and the Milky Way. For a long time, space detectives knew that Andromeda and the Milky Way were being pulled closer by an invisible space magic called gravity. They weren't sure if they'd just wave hello as they passed by, bump into each other gently, or crash in a cosmic high five. It all depended on how much Andromeda was trying to sidestep us. Thanks to some super precise space spying by Roland van der Merel and his team, we now know that Andromeda is heading straight for us, ready for a full-on hug with the Milky Way. But even though they'll smash into each other, the stars are so far apart that they won't actually hit each other. Instead, they'll swirl around and find new paths around a new center, like bees buzzing around a new beehive. Our sun might get tossed farther away from the center, but that's part of the adventure. Gertina Besla, another space explorer, tells us it's going to be quite the show. The Milky Way won't look like its usual flat self anymore. Instead, it'll join with Andromeda and become a new, round-shaped galaxy. And guess what? There's a third player in this cosmic game, a smaller galaxy called the Triangulum, or M33. It might crash the party too, making our new galactic home even more interesting. In the end, our Earth and solar system will come out of this cosmic whirlwind just fine, with a brand new address in space and maybe even a sky full of twice as many stars. So it turns out having a galaxy fall on your head is pretty awesome, after all. And that's a cosmic wrap, GoGoGaGa crew. We zoomed through the stars and uncovered secrets of the universe. Stay tuned for more space wonders. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and journey with us again on Space Odyssey. Until next time, keep dreaming big and going gaga for galaxies.